double bond. So here carbon-carbon double bond is acting as a neighboring group, leading to the formation of this non-classical carbocation, which is highly stable, and hence the rate increases. So this is the example where carbon-carbon double bond is acting as a neighboring group, and you can just see the rate enhancement, that is 10 raised to power 11. So you just imagine how much rate enhancement has been caused by this carbon-carbon double bond. Now next important is that how we can reduce or stop completely the neighboring group participation by this carbon-carbon double bond. Participation of a neighboring group can be reduced or eliminated if an outside nucleophile present is more effective than the neighboring group, or if a sufficiently good leaving group is present. Further, the neighboring group participation can be reduced if the stability of the carbocation can be increased. So these are the three ways by which we can reduce the neighboring group participation. One is that if you have a very strong nucleophile, so before carbon-carbon double bond can attack over here, the nucleophile can attack and cause the reaction. So there is no neighboring group participation. So this is the one way. That is, if you have a very strong nucleophile that will attack before your double bond act as a neighboring group. So that is the one way where we can reduce or completely eliminate the neighboring group participation. Second is that if you have a sufficiently good leaving group, right? Means if your good leaving group is so good that it goes without this can act as a neighboring group, and your the nucleophile can attack on this positive carbon. So your neighboring group participation can be prevented or reduced. That is, this can go, you have a plus, and then before it attacks, your nucleophile can attack. So this is the another way where your leaving group is very good. Third is that if we can increase the stability of this carbocation. Stability increase means we are making this carbocation, once this will go, highly stable. Highly stable means it has more half-life period. More half-life period means it can stay for more time. And if it can stay for more time, then before attacking the nucleophile, attacking the double bond, your nucleophile can attack, and hence the neighboring group participation can be reduced. Right? So these are the three ways by which we can reduce the neighboring group participation. अब आपको अगर नहीं किसी को क्लियर है तो पूछ लो.
सर अगर न्यूक्लियोफाइल पहले अटैक करेगा तो फिर नॉन क्लासिकल कार्बोकेटाइन नहीं बनेगा?
फिर नहीं बनेगा ना, तो फिर डबल बॉन्ड वो अटैक ही नहीं करेगा, नॉन क्लासिकल बनेगा नहीं, तो नेबरिंग ग्रुप पार्टिसिपेशन रिड्यूस हो जाएगी, ऑटोमेटिकली रेट जो है वो रिड्यूस हो जाएगा.
ठीक है सर, ओके.
कार्बोकेटाइन तीन चीजें हैं जिससे हम नेबरिंग ग्रुप पार्टिसिपेशन को रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं. Now let us take one example. in the presence of para-anisile होता है para-methoxyphenyl. This is para-anisile group. At 7 position, this is the 7 position of A and B stabilizes the carbocation. तो अब ये तो आपको मालूम है, how it stabilizes the carbocation मालूम है. You know, this is a good leaving group because it will go formation of carboxylate anion take place, and that carboxylate anion is stabilized by resonance. So this is a good leaving group. Then how this group stabilizes the carbocation, ये मालूम है आपको कि नहीं? How this group stabilizes this carbocation?
Resonance है sir.
Resonance. So that is why we have taken methoxy here, because this is a plus M group and this enhances the resonance and hence the stability of this carbocation. So more stable is the carbocation means more time it will take to stay, or it can resist the attack of the carbon-carbon double bond. So nucleophile in the meantime attacks and your neighboring group participation got prevented. So thus solvolysis in acetone water at 85 degrees of C was only about 5 times faster. So you can just imagine here it is 10 raised to power 11 times faster. And if you put here a group that stabilizes the carbocation, so here the rate is only 2.5 times faster. So you can just see that the neighboring group participation has been reduced extensively. Then further, a very interesting example, ability of carbon-carbon double bond to serve as a neighboring group can depend on its electron density, right? See, this is a carbon-carbon double bond, attack is the pi electrons. More is the pi electrons, more easily attack takes place, right? So if by some way we can reduce the electron density of this carbon-carbon double bond, then this is unable to attack here and hence neighboring group participation can be reduced or completely eliminated. See here, अब इसकी इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी को कम कैसे कर सकते हैं? By putting here electron withdrawing groups. So you can just see here, if this is H, this is H, means no group is attracting this electron density. So this will act as a neighboring group and rate is 1.4 into 10 raised to power 12 times, right? So high rate, very high rate. Now if one of the R is replaced with CF3, the other remains as H, the rate reduced to half, 1.4 10 raised to power 6. That is, we have reduced the electron density of this carbon-carbon double bond. And then in the third case, if we put CF3 over here, means both are very powerful electron withdrawing group. So they withdraw the electron density of this carbon-carbon double bond completely and hence not available to attack on this. So you can just see the rate is only 1. That is very less rate. So here you can just see here, that is, this is a very interesting example where you have completely or almost reduced the neighboring group participation by carbon-carbon double bond. Then neighboring group participation by cyclopropyl ring. And you have some idea about the cyclopropyl ring? What about the bonds in cyclopropane? So the bonds in cyclopropane, they are banana bonds. Means, because actually for the formation of a cyclopropane ring, we have to bend these bonds and they acquires this type of structure. Means the electron density is not equally distributed in the bond. This is away from the outside the bond. Why outside? Because all these three electrons, they are very close to each other and hence they repel each other. So bonds, they are always towards the outside and they acquire the shape of the banana. So we say these as a banana bond, and they will have the properties almost similar to that of a carbon-carbon double bond. क्यों कि ये बिल्कुल बाहर है ना इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, तो दे कैन अटैक ऑन एनी कार्बन electron deficient carbon closer to this one. So this cyclopropane ring is similar to, its behavior is similar to the carbon-carbon double bond. And why? Because you can just see the electrons, they are not equally distributed within the bond because of the repulsion from the other bonds. राइट ये तो पता है ना आपको ऑलरेडी. The properties of a cyclopropyl ring are similar to those of double bond. Therefore, it is not surprising that a suitably placed cyclopropane ring can also be a neighboring group. But this need to be suitably placed. ऐसा नहीं है कहीं भी रख दो. अब इसको मैंने डार्क किया हुआ है. डार्क का मतलब ये है कि दिस इज अबव द प्लेन, और जब ये ऊपर हो गया तो नेचुरली दिस बिकम्स वेरी क्लोज टू दिस वन. सो दिस नाउ these electrons can participate as a neighboring group. तो ये जो है ये electrons they can participate as a neighboring group. You can just see here, if you have a cyclopropyl ring, propane ring over here and no cyclopropane ring, and if you compare the rate is 10 raised to power 14 times faster than 2, even more than the carbon-carbon double bond which we have seen in the earlier example. But here also we have a good leaving group also. That may be the reason why we have a rate 10 raised to power 14 times faster than this. So solvolysis of 1 is 10 raised to power 14 times faster than 2. Now, aromatic ring as a neighboring group. That I have already told you, because it leads to the formation of phenonium ions which are highly stable and hence account for the increased rate due to the neighboring group participation. How it participates? This double bond attacks on this plus created over here. This plus is then generate plus over here, plus over here. So we have a plus in this ring, and it starts from this carbon to and end at this carbon, right? तो डॉट आपके इस साइड नहीं जाने चाहिए, इधर गए तो गलत. So dot only starts from here and end over here. So this phenonium ion, which is also acting as a neighboring group. Then we have now a carbon-carbon double bond as a neighboring group. So let us take a 2-Narbonyl system, because this neighboring group by carbon-carbon double bond has been extensively studied on this 2-Narbonyl system. In the investigations to determine whether a carbon-carbon single bond can act as a neighboring group, by far the greatest attention has been paid to 2-Narbonyl systems. Let us take this example. Solvolysis inacetic acid of optically active exo-2-narbonyl brosylate gave a racemic mixture of the two exoacetates. No endoisomers are formed. Furthermore, one solubilized about 350 times faster than its endoisomer 2. So these results can only be explained if carbon-carbon double bond is acting as a neighboring group. Now you see here, exocis isomer undergoes solubilysis 350 times faster than its endoisomer. If you see the carbon-carbon double bond, the rate is 10 raised to power 11 times, rate is 10 raised to power 14 times, but here rate is only 350 times. If you recall the non-classical carbocations, just see here, you have 1, 2, and then you have the resonance hybrid. So here you have only one and then you have the resonance hybrid. So this is much more stable, this is less stable. And because of this less stability, we have only rate enhancement 350 times. And here rate enhancement to the order of 10 raised to power 11, 12, 13, 14. So this is the reason that depends upon the stability of these two carbocations. So let us now see the examples. That is, let us take exo-2-narbonyl brosylate 1. So this is exo here. When it comes over here, it becomes endo. This is endo. So here we will get mixture of two exoacetates, OAC here and OAC here. We can see in the mechanism. If you have a endo, no reaction take place and we will not get any endoisomer. When you subject this to solubilysis, we'll get the solubilysis here, but here, from here, we will not get the endoisomer. From here, we get the solubilysis product, but if we compare the rate of these two reactions, here it is 350 times more faster. Let us see how it takes place. Now, the same non-classical carbocation, when this carbon-carbon single bond is acting as a neighboring group. So this goes. So you have a dotted this one and this one, right? Now, let us first say take when your acetic acid will attack and opens this carbon-carbon double bond. इसको देखो अच्छी तरह से. Now this side is blocked by this partial bond. So your OHC cannot attack from this side. It has to attack from this side, that is 180 away from here. That is why you are getting the exoacetate. तो ये खत्म हो गया बॉन्ड. जब ये हुआ तो ये ओपन हो गई रिंग, तो ये पूरा ये का ये स्ट्रक्चर बन जाएगा आपका. ठीक है. Let us see the B attack. Now this side is again blocked by this partial bond. So acetic acid can attack only from this backside. When it attacks from this side, we will get this structure. And this is equivalent to this structure. And you have a OAC at the exo position. So we are getting two exoacetates. No endo is formed because this cannot be formed if carbon-carbon single bond is acting as a neighboring group. Why? Acetic acid can attack only from this side because this is blocked. This acetic acid can attack from this side because this side is blocked. So this gives you two exoacetates. So formation of these two acetates can only be explained if this carbon-carbon single bond is acting as a neighboring group. Another example is cyclopropyl methyl system. Another example is cyclopropyl methyl system. Now you see here, this is a cyclopropyl methyl system. So this is methyl halide. If you treat this with ethanol and water, we will get three products. 48% CH2OH, 47% cyclobutanol, and 5% this alcohol. Now, the formation of these three can only be explained if carbon-carbon single bond is acting as a neighboring group. This can be formed without the neighboring group, but these two can only be formed if carbon-carbon single bond is acting as a neighboring group. Let us see. So, this Cl will go as Cl negative, plus is generated over here, water attacks over here, and we will get 48% of this, right? Then see, this is primary carbocation, highly unstable, cyclopropyne ring, highly strained. So always try to get open and get relief from the strain. So here this three-membered ring opens and attacks over here. So this bond attacks to this carbon. So we have a four-membered ring with plus over here. Then water attacks and we will get this as a 47%. So why we get 47%? Because this opening is very, very easy. Why? Highly unstable carbocation, highly strained three-membered ring. So it is trying to get open. When it opens over here, plus generated over here, and four-membered ring. Then this is why this is 5%, because we have very less possibility for this to open. So this get opened only because of the ring strain. So we have a ring strain over here. Why ring strain? Because this is a four-membered ring, and we know that six-membered is least strained, five-membered some strain, four-membered more strain, and three-membered highly strained. So this is again strained, but not as you have a three-membered ring. So this then double bond comes over here and plus over here, right? So plus over here, CH2, CH2, and then CH double bond CH2. Then water attacks over here and we will get this as a 5%. So the formation of this 47% product and the 5% product can only be explained if carbon-carbon single bond is acting as a neighboring group. तो इनको देख लो आप लोग, अभी लिख लो, खासकर ये जो टू नार्बोनाइल सिस्टम वाला है इनको लिख लो, अगर कुछ समझना है तो पूछ लो मुझे, आज इतना ही पढ़ाना है आपको, इसको अच्छी तरह से कर लेना, दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। इसकी और भी एग्जांपल ढूंढना अगर आपको मिलेंगी तो। देख लो अगर आपको इसमें से कोई चीज ढूंढनी है, कोई समझनी है तो बता दो मुझे। ठीक है जी, क्लियर है आपको ये?
यस सर।
तो इसको बंद कर लूं फिर मैं? तो इस नेबरिंग ग्रुप पार्टिसिपेशन को, इसमें से जो हमारा ये वाला यूनिट था, इसमें अभी क्या क्या है, एक मिनट में देखूं जरा। उनको बोला क्लास चाहिए, कुछ देना है उन्होंने? कौन है? उनको बिठाओ। So here, this is SN2 we have completed, SN1 completed, mixed SN1, SN2 completed, set completed, neighboring group participation by sigma and pi bonds, classical, non-classical carbocations, ये सारा हो गया हमारे पास. Now we have two rearrangements. One is Pinacol, Pinacolone, then Wagner, Meerwan. So we will now in the next class we will do these two rearrangements, right? तो जे हमारा खत्म हो जाएगा, फिर हमारा यही बचेगा लास्ट. ये इसका क्या हुआ एलिफेटिक इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन?
सर ये कंप्लीट हो गया.
ये खत्म हो गया आपका?
यस सर.
ठीक है, तो अभी एक लेक्चर में ये खत्म हो जाएंगे दोनों रीअरेंजमेंट्स, और उसके बाद फिर हमारा ये आ जाएगा अलाइलिक, एलिफेटिक एंड बिनाइलिक, और फिर बस ऑलमोस्ट थोड़ा ही बचा है अभी आपके पास. मुझे लगता है 5-7 लेक्चर्स में हो जाना चाहिए खत्म. तो अभी आपका माइनर 2 भी आ जाएगा.
तो फर्स्ट यूनिट आएगा ना?
क्या चीज?
माइनर 2 में फर्स्ट आएगा.
हाँ, फर्स्ट यूनिट आएगा. तो ये जो अभी मैं आपको पढ़ा रहा हूँ ये वाला, और जो उसमें हमारा रह गया था जो फर्स्ट यूनिट में जो हैमेट इक्वेशन वाला पार्ट, तो वो आपका आएगा में. और ये एलिफेटिक इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक भी मेजर में आएंगी, तो और एलिफेटिक न्यूक्लियोफिलिक जो हैं ये सारी मेजर में आएंगी आपके पास. ठीक है.
सर प्रैक्टिकल एग्जामिनेशन
अभी आप
कैसे होंगे?
हाँ जी कौन से?
सर प्रैक्टिकल्स?
प्रैक्टिकल भी ऐसे ही होने हैं, ऑनलाइन ही. थ्योरी
सर
का एग्जाम होगा आपका और वाइवा. आपको एग्जाम थ्योरी के क्वेश्चंस दिए जाएंगे, वो आपको करने हैं, और उसके बाद वाइवा होगा.
सर फाइल वगैरह बनानी है ना?
नहीं, फाइल कहाँ, किसकी बनाओगे फाइल? जब ये आपको कुछ कराया ही नहीं हमने, तो फाइल कहाँ बनाओगे?
सर हम वाइवा क्या देंगे फिर?
फाइल वाइवा यही आपकी थ्योरी जो पढ़ा रहे हैं आपको, जो मैंने अभी पढ़ाया है, 2 लेक्चर पढ़ाए ना आपको.
प्रैक्टिकल के बारे में पूछ रहे. प्रैक्टिकल का वाइवा होगा?
हाँ, प्रैक्टिकली बात पूछ रहा हूँ ना, बता रहा हूँ ना. जो थ्योरी हम करा रहे हैं ना, जैसे मैडम करा रही हैं आपको प्रेपरेशंस, अभी मैं सेपरेशन का आइडेंटिफिकेशन का करा रहा हूँ आपको, तो अभी आइडेंटिफिकेशन का कंप्लीट करेंगे.
वो
तो
करनी होगा.
उसी क्या चीज?
मतलब मैम ने प्रिपरेशन पढ़ाया वही, उसमें आप फिर कुछ पूछ सकते हो.
नहीं, वो भी आएगा, लेकिन अभी जो मैं भी तो पढ़ा रहा हूँ ना आपको. अभी आपको मैंने फंक्शनल ग्रुप वाला करवाना है, फिर उसके बाद डेरिवेटिव्स हैं, उसके बाद सेपरेशन है. जितना करा पाएंगे तो वो सारा जो हम कराएंगे आपको, जो आपको यहाँ पढ़ाएंगे ना, उसी के रिलेटेड, उसी में से वाइवा होगा. उसी में से वाइवा होगा, है ना. उसी में से बुक आप जो बिश्नोई की, एक एन के बिश्नोई की बुक मैंने प्रैक्टिकल की बताई थी आपको, तो वो आप देख लेना. उसमें जितने भी फंक्शनल ग्रुप्स हैं उनके टेस्ट आएंगे, जितने भी उसके आइडेंटिफिकेशन के टेस्ट होते हैं वो सारे पूछेंगे आपसे, मैकेनिज्म्स पूछेंगे जो भी आपको कराएंगे. तो उसी टाइप का सारा आपका आएगा, वाइवा भी उसी में से ही पूछेंगे.
ठीक है सर.
ठीक है. ओके जी, गुड डे टू ऑल ऑफ यू.